Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your phone with a controller. First, ensure your controller is fully charged and compatible with your mobile device. Then, we will go through the simple steps to connect it via Bluetooth. This guide will help you set up your game for a more precise and comfortable playing experience, giving you an edge in every match. Get ready to elevate your gameplay to a whole new level with a controller. Connecting your controller to your phone is a straightforward process. Begin by putting your controller into its pairing mode, which typically involves holding down a specific button for a few seconds. Next, open your phone settings, find the Bluetooth option and turn it on. Your phone will then scan for nearby devices. Simply select your controller from the list that appears, and within moments, your devices will be paired and ready to go. Once your controller is paired, launch Brawl Stars. The game should automatically detect your connected device. To fine-tune your experience, head into the game settings. Look for a Controls or Gamepad section where you can customize button layouts and adjust sensitivity. Experiment with these options to find what feels most comfortable and responsive for you, ensuring optimal control during intense matches. To truly master Brawl Stars with a controller, practice is key. Try out different brawlers to see how their unique abilities feel with the added precision. The controller's analog sticks offer superior movement, allowing for more accurate dodging and aiming. Don't hesitate to remap buttons in the settings to create a layout that feels intuitive for your hands. For the best experience, consider a phone mount that attaches your device directly to your controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.